Want to add a photo from your gallery to your Instagram highlights without reposting it as a new story? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it right from your phone. Stick around till the end to make sure everything shows up exactly where you want it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. From the home page, swipe right to access the Instagram camera. Now at the bottom left, tap the gallery icon to open your camera roll. Scroll through and select the photo you want to add. Once it's selected, tap the arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap on Share, then choose Add to Highlight. Now go ahead and name your highlight or select an existing one and then tap Add. Finally, tap Done. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future Instagram tips like this. Now to verify that your highlight was added, go back to your Instagram home screen. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Under your bio, you'll see the highlight you just added. And that's it. Tap on the highlight to open it. Your story should play right there. If you see it, everything worked perfectly. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.